I guess today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing on my new single DIN car radio. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. All right, so you get the, I believe it's the harness for it. So this is the microphone option. You'll need these. And the user manual. Radio comes in very nicely packaged. And you also get the backup camera for it. Let's go actually look at the radio. Check that out. That is a really nice display. It is a 5.7-inch display, so even if your car doesn't have space for some of the smaller radios, you still get a full motion display that feels like some of the newer cars have in them. Very nice. Do like these two knobs right here. One of the biggest selling points for this one is the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which especially if you're doing any kind of deliveries or anything like that, or you're doing a lot of traveling, it's just nice to be able to see the map on here. So whether it's Google Maps, Wise, or Apple Maps, it'll do all of them, showing displaying right on here. And like I said, it does support it through the Type-C connection right here. You also get the Bluetooth 5.2, which is nice because one of the more stable ones in some of the older versions. You'll get clear calls and smoother music streaming, and as well as you still get the traditional AM and FM right off of here as well. And like I said, one of the cool things that I liked as well is that they threw in the backup camera. So once it's installed, every time you shift it into reverse, it'll just automatically kick in for it. And the other thing I did want to point out is if you have like an app or a system, you are able to hook it up to here as well. Like I said, one thing that I do want to mention about the knobs is, especially once you get the full touchscreen, most of these don't have the knobs anymore. I think it's actually a nice feature just to be able to quickly move the volume down or up as needed. Like I said, it does have the USB and Type-C option for either charging or for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto as well. So if you guys are looking for a new single DIN radio, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below.